Hi, Robin with Oxy-Dry. And here I am finishing off this job now. And so we're going to do the post-grooming with the Hoover Hush Tone. The carpet will actually, that'll be, no, it's dry to the touch already, so yeah, no problem. So I cleaned this one, and I did the other bedroom, and then the third bedroom, and then I went downstairs and cleaned 2 area rugs. They're about 7 by 8 area rugs, and then I'm back here doing this step, and the carpet's dry already. So that's about, well, half an hour, maybe a bit more. Carpet's already dry. Carpet's looking fantastic. This back. The teenage boys' room, and there's 2 teenage boys in this house, actually. Actually, the lady was telling me that really white room, which is the third one we'll get to here, she was saying she very much regrets making that choice for that white carpet. But anyway, I think we'll be able to make it look good, and I think I'm just a little bit concerned about where the urine staining might have caused a bit of problems with the pile of the carpet, but we'll see when we get there. When I run the vacuum over it, that'll see if that straightens it out. You can see how lovely the carpet's looking. Looking new. I can see wear. There's wear right over on the side of the bed there. I could see that when I was going over it. And if you go back to the video where I showed the cleaning, you'll remember that I used the white fiber pad to pre-scrub with this on this carpet, which is not what I normally do, but I felt that was a better choice for this particular carpet this time. But again, that's why it's one of the reasons another reason I prefer, of course, the rotary is having the ability to choose from many different attachments or pads or brush or multi-brush, dirt napper, whatever. You have many choices. And that, as a professional, it's nice to be able to pull the different tools out of your toolbox to really fine-tune what you're doing to suit each particular situation, and that's one of the reasons I prefer the rotary. And you certainly can clean this carpet very well with an OP machine. Boy, that's looking good, but I can see the wear. There's wear there. This is a Triexta. It doesn't wear that well, although it wears better than a polyester. You can really feel it sucking down hard on the carpet, because the soft yarn just has that characteristic where it really constricts the airflow. And one of the advantages of doing a post vacuum instead of just grooming, which is fine, you can do that too, but one of the reasons I prefer to do a post vacuuming is I'm going to be pulling up additional particulates and dust, etc. after the cleaning that has been, you know, maybe pulled up from the actual cleaning. So this is just an additional step of removing particulates from the carpet. See, that was a distorted looking area. Now I've run over it with the vacuum, and this is another reason I like the vacuum, because it's actually straightening out the yarn here. That looks pretty darn good. I think I see a slight hint of yellow there, but yeah, I'll give it a spray with some proxy in a sec. But you know, interestingly, you know, I've heard anyway, people say that they can straighten out tip lumbing using a Trinity machine. I'm only repeating what I've read or seen or heard, I guess, and I'm not going to say whether or not I think that's true or not. Doesn't matter. But I do know that in that area which you just saw, the vacuum itself just pulled up and straightened out the yarn there, which was kind of messed up from the urine. It seems to have a weird effect on certain types of carpets where it appears to distort the pile, but then when I clean it and I run over it with a vacuum afterwards, in most cases I find that it will take that distortion and straighten it all out. Quite a interesting thing to see. You almost wouldn't think that would happen, but it seems to happen. So, and I think you just stop before your very eyes. Now we'll be doing it again in the next room, or hopefully we'll be doing it again. We'll try it again over there anyway, because that one was a little more obvious. I can still see a slight hint of yellow there. Well, this carpet is looking brand new. Looks phenomenal. With a very slight hint. I think I can see it slightly there. But the pile looks like it's all straightened out there. So we'll just leave that now. That's the proxy. That's Rochester Midland Corp product. So let's do this vacuum. Do this room. There were a series of little stains over here, which I think they're all gone. But again, and another reason I prefer to vacuum after is it gives me another opportunity to really give the carpet a very careful examination as I'm vacuuming. I'm constantly scanning the carpet, looking for anything that possibly might have not been removed. Maybe needs a bit more attention. I think and that's one of the reasons I prefer to vacuuming. It kind of, I think it almost automatically forces you to kind of raise your standard, which is good. See something there. Very faintly here. It could just be damp. But I'll give it a shot of the proxy, just to be careful. Oh yeah, you can see it there slightly, very, very slightly. Boy, it's looking good. It really looks amazing. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up as well as I can see it, but this looks like a brand new carpet. We had a brief conversation downstairs about her wood floor, which is The vast majority of this house is actually wood floor, and yeah, I bet I'll be back here cleaning it before too long. So anyway, here's the, we're almost at that really bad looking mark. Let's see what happens when the vacuum goes over it. I think she must have scrubbed at it. That's what happened. Because she said something about that. I can still see it, the distortion a little bit. It's not bad now. That's better. It definitely looks a lot better. I can still see it a little bit. So we're gonna put some Proxy on there. Now that slight color, that's I can still see a slight color here, but that will fade away now. I know it will because the CO2 has mostly caused it to fade away, and the little shot of Proxy at the end there will just kind of send it over the top, as it were. I find that's how I typically deal with urine stains now, and I have no problem getting them out. So it's nice to have a simple way to do it. It's nice and efficient, and obviously, as you can see, it really takes no time. Even the slightest little mark is obvious on this carpet. Oh, yeah, I got it out. Doesn't hide anything. See, you know, I have no fear when I walk in a house and I see white carpet. I know that I've got the absolutely best method for dealing with it. You just can't be beat. I've been at it now for 50 years. I've used every method there is. I draw upon all of the methods that I've used and all those decades of experience to address these different problems. So I'm not saying I know everything, because nobody knows everything. If they say they do, well, well, they don't. Nobody knows everything. I'm still learning. I'm still curious. I'm still willing to listen to what other people say, at least the ones that are, competent or whatever. If someone's out there bragging about how they're the smartest guy and the best carpet cleaner in the world, I guarantee you they won't be. Maybe in their own mind, but only in their own mind. Alright, that looks fantastic. Okay, I'll let you go. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.